So this is outside the Hagia Sophia Mosque. A lot of people around here. Oh, and this is the line for people to go into the prayer part of the mosque, I think. So entrance to Hagia Sophia Mosque is 950 Turkish lira. This is inside the Hagia Sophia Mosque. And there's a prayer going on right now, I believe. So can't talk too loud. One. Guys, I spent about an hour online to get tickets to go into the Hagia Sophia Mosque and did the tour, so you don't have to. It was a real letdown, I would say. I would not recommend coming to see this, not because it's not okay, it's okay, but for 25 euros, just walking around the second floor that overlooks the mosque, and there's like three old mosaics, really overpriced for what it is. It's cool to see once. I guess I would have come to see it anyway, but really, to me, this was a big disappointment for what you pay for it. It should be more like 5-10 euros tops, I would say. So if you want to skip all the hassle of coming here, waiting online and going through this, you could just watch the video and probably get 90% of the experience, I would say. Sorry for the disappointment, but I'm trying to, I guess, save some people some money and some disappointment from going through this yourself and coming out with kind of a kind of taste in your mouth from this place. Also, when you go to the ticket booth, they try to upsell you for the church tour. So there's one ticket for the mosque, which is like 25 euros, and another, I guess, 25 euros for the church part of it, they said. So I didn't even opt for that. Maybe that's a better deal, I'm not really sure, but if the mosque is any indication, to me it's really not worth the money. And this thing used to be free like a year or so ago, and now they're charging a lot for it. So personally, I would skip it. So So hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. So definitely a nice area to come around and check out. So when's the last time you saw a Bentley police car? Looks like they had a few scuffs.